Okay, students. Today the topic is units of computer. Okay, units of computer. Units of computer. Okay, there are three units. There are three units. First, input unit, then second, processing unit, then third, output unit. Okay, output, process, input. First input unit, then second processing unit, then output unit. First we read input unit. By the input unit we input data into the computer. Okay, example, input device, and second is after input device we input data and instruction, then it process, means by the processing unit process, then execute data. Okay, then process, then after processing, then output data. After processing, then it gets output data, means after processing then the final result is output. Okay, means first when we input data into the computer, by the input device we input data into the computer, then process, then output. Okay, then process, then output. This is the units of computer: input unit, output unit, and process unit. Okay, input, process, then output. First we read input unit. Input unit, example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, OMR, OCR, MICR, and BCR. Okay, keyboard, mouse, scanner, OMR, OCR, MICR, optical mark reader, optical character reader, magnetic ink character reader, barcode reader. That is called input unit. Then processing unit means CPU. CPU means central processing unit. Unit means a group of. CPU is the combination of ALU, CU, and MU. ALU, CU, and MU. Next class we teach ALU, CU, and MU, means we discuss the block diagram of computer. But now we just hit about the CPU. CPU is the combination of ALU, CU and MU. CU process, CPU process data means when after input the CPU process data, then means suppose example, we give a small example. When we input data, when we input data into the computer, at first the data store in MU. Store in MU. MU means memory unit. Then CU. CU means control unit. CU means control unit. Control data and send to ALU for analysis. If the data is arithmetical, A analysis, otherwise L analysis. Arithmetical means addition, subtraction, multiplication and divide. That is called arithmetic data, and logical. Other data is called logical data. ALU, arithmetic logical unit. Okay. Then this is called CPU. This is called CPU. When we input data into the computer, at first it is stored in MU. Then CU means control unit, control data from the computer, means all data, it control all the function of computer. Then it process ALU for analysis. Which type of data? If the data is arithmetical, A analysis, otherwise L analysis. Then output. The final result, then output. Okay. This is the processing unit. And output unit means after process, then the final result is called output. Okay, it's called output. आपको हमें output बोली कहबा. Final result is called output unit. Example, VDU, visual display unit, and printer, then speaker, etc, etc. Okay, this is called units of computer. Units means input unit, then processing unit and output unit. Otherwise input unit, output unit and processing unit. By the input unit we input data into the computer, and after input, then by the processing unit it process data. Process means in the time of execution is called processing. In the time of execution is called processing. Then process data, then final result is called output. Okay, means input unit, by the input device we input data into the computer. Example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, OMR, OCR, MICR, BCR, etc. That is called input unit. Then processing unit. Processing unit means CPU, central processing unit. CPU is the combination of ALU, CU and MU. CPU is the combination of ALU, CU and MU. Next class we discuss about CPU, but here we just hints. When we input data into the computer, the CPU means the computer. At first the data store in MU, and after store, the CU means control unit, control data, all the function of computer. So CU take data from MU and send to ALU for analysis. Which type of data? If the data is arithmetical, A analysis, otherwise L analysis. Then final result is called output. Output unit means after process, then the final result is called output unit. That is called units of computer. Okay.